Math lesson on subtraction. Subtraction. Yes, Zoe, that's a big new word. Subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. When we add or have addition or plus problems, we get more. But with subtraction, we take away and we end up having less. So subtraction is taking away some parts of a whole number. When you subtract, Zoe, using a number line, we move to the left and your numbers get smaller. For subtraction problems, we use a minus symbol. A minus symbol is a little line. Look at this subtraction problem I have at the bottom of the screen. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Let's find the number 10 on our number line. There it is. So we're going to start at number 10 and we're going to count down 5 because we're taking away 5. So you have your finger on that number 10. Okay, Zoe, we're going to move to the left 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number did we stop on? The number 5. Awesome. So 10 take away or minus 5 equals 5. Awesome. Let's try to practice some of those. Look at this example. Let's count the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles. What is this little sign again? Minus. Awesome. Minus. That's the minus sign. So 6 minus. How many triangles are on the other side of the minus sign? 1, 2. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. But how did we get that? We had 6 triangles, and minus or subtract means to take away. So if we take away 2 from the 6, we only have 4 left. So, Zoe, do you think you're ready for some examples? Well, let's try some. First, let's review our number line. I have the number line here from 0 to 20. When we used our number line to add, we moved our finger to the right and our numbers got bigger. When we subtract or take away, we move our finger and count down or backwards to the left because our numbers are getting smaller. We're taking away. So you can use this number line to help you practice moving down to the left for your numbers to get smaller when you add. All right, let's look at these practice examples here. You see the minus sign in your number sentences and your math sentences. Our first one, we see some delicious ice cream cones. Wait a minute, this is all ice cream. Awesome. So our first example says 5 minus 2 equals. So they had 5, and you know what he did? He circled the 2 that he's going to take away. So now he knows how many he has left. How many ice cream cones did he leave outside of the circle? How many are left? Awesome, 3. I want you to screen write the number 3 into that little square box. You write it on your screen. The next example has some triangle-shaped cones. Let's see, the sentence says 4 minus 3 equals. So he circled the 3 cones that he's going to take away. How many do we have left? Awesome. Write that number on your screen into the square box. Now let's look at these popsicles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 4 equals, he circled the 4 popsicles that he's going to take away. How many do we have left? Awesome. Write that number in that little square on your screen. Now let's move to the bottom of these sprinkle ice cream cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 3 equals. So he circled the 3 sprinkle cones that he's going to take away. How many sprinkle cones do we have left? Awesome. Go ahead and write that number inside the bottom square. Do you think you're getting the hang of the subtraction? Let's try even harder one. Whoa! This is an animal subtraction sheet. I want you to use your screenwriting tool to cross out or circle the animals that you're going to take away. Now let's start with the top. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fish. 8 minus 2 equals. So use your screenwriting tool and circle or mark out the 2 that you're going to take away. How many fish do you have left? Awesome. Let's move down to the next example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dogs. 6 minus 5 equals. So we're subtracting 5. I want you to circle 5 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do you have left? Awesome. Write that number on your screen. Look at those snails underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 snails. The math subtraction sentence says 7 minus 4 equals. So we need to take away 4 snails. So circle 4. And how many do you have left? Awesome. Write that number on your screen in that box. All right, on the bottom there, we see some penguins. Oh, it looks like a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 penguins. The math sentence says 8 minus 2 equals. So we're going to take away 2 of those 8 penguins. Circle 2 of them. How many do we have left? Awesome. Write that number in that square. Now here at the bottom we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elephants. 10 elephants. The math sentence says 10 minus 2 equals. So we're going to take away 2 elephants from the 10. Circle 2 elephants. How many do we have left? Awesome. Write that number in the square. I hope you enjoyed our math lesson in subtraction. Remember, subtraction means to take away. This bacon and egg looks delicious. I think I'm going to subtract the bacon and the eggs from this frying pan. Have fun doing those subtraction problems.